Today, we're going to show you how to generate leads with Navigator's Leads Funnel Unlimited. After logging into your account, go to Tools, where you'll find the Leads Funnel Unlimited section. Here, you'll find 2 lines of code that generate the Navigator Instant Savings Calculator, which you can place on your own website. The Navigator Instant Savings Calculator allows merchants visiting your website to upload their statement and receive an instant summary analysis, while you receive an email notification with a link to their merchant statement and the analysis. Here are a few examples of current clients who have implemented Navigator's Instant Savings Calculator to collect leads from merchants visiting their websites. The other way to use Navigator's Leads Funnel Unlimited is to utilize the landing page given to you by Navigator, which you can customize in your account details. Here's how it works. When a merchant comes to your landing page, they can upload a statement on their own. Navigator instantly analyzes the statement, and a few seconds later, in exchange for their contact information, we will present the merchant with a brief summary of their analysis. The summary shows a thank you message, letting them know that someone will be in touch. It also shows the statement period, the total volume, total fees, effective rate, and avoidable fees. Simultaneously, the agent receives a lead notification. You've got a new lead. A few data points are shared here, as well as the merchant's name, email, and phone number. You can click the red button to get the full analysis, which will take you to your Navigator History tab. The information about your leads is displayed here. Your lead will be waiting for you in the lower section, along with their contact information, their name, the data points shown to the merchant, and the merchant statement, which you can view using the green arrow. You can click Get to prepare the analysis and proposal that you can present to a merchant, or click the pencil in the action column. This will take you to the analysis summary screen. Here, you can simply create a new proposal or customize a proposal to present the merchant with an offer. When you're ready, click below to download the Excel, the PDF, or the Word document. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and follow for more tutorials.